All right, now we're doing 7Q. Find the smallest power higher than the given value. This is by Raul BC777, and 91% of the people like it. This is a redo of the past video because for some reason this answer doesn't work anymore. But I figured it out, no big deal. So for this one, we have a number, this number, and we want to know the value of the closest cube but higher than this number. The answer will be this number. All right, now another case, we have a number, this number, we want to know the fifth power closest and higher to that number. The value will be this number. We need a function, find the next power, that receives two arguments, a value and the exponent of the power, and outputs the value that we want to find. All right, so here's some cases. Here's this number. We want to find the cube higher than this number, so we'll do something to do that, and blah blah blah. All right, so for this one, first things first, we got to take care of this test case. If it's a 1 here, it does not want a 1. It wants the next higher cube, because 1 is definitely a cube, but like if value is 1, it wants whatever the power to the it wants 2 to the power as the answer. So what we're going to say here is if val equals 1, we're going to say 2 return 2 to the power. All right, this is the basically the kicker right here. This is the thing that changes it up from this one. All right, so now what we're going to say is we're just going to do a for loop. We're going to say for, then we're going to say if, we're going to say let I equals 0, and while I is less than less than or equal to val, we're going to say I plus plus, right? And now that we've got that taken care of, what we're going to do is we're going to say if I to the power is greater than value, we're going to say return I to the power. All right? And that's going to take care of business, right? So let's test it out. No, because this needs to be together. Test it out. All right, good. Attempt it. All right, great. And submit it. Very much like this one. Let's go to My Solutions. We've got this one and invalid solution. Oh, that's so annoying, but whatever. Best practice in my opinion on this one, and we'll see you next time.